In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Delete Workspace. If you need to remove a workspace from Airtable, the process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to move carefully because deleting a workspace can also remove the data connected to it. That means this is something you'll want to double check before you confirm anything. To begin, open your Airtable home screen. This is the main area where you can see your available workspaces and bases. Give yourself a moment here to make sure everything has fully loaded so you can clearly identify the correct workspace. Next, select the workspace you want to delete. Take your time with this step, especially if you manage multiple workspaces that may have similar names or related content. You want to be absolutely sure you're choosing the right one before moving forward. Once you've opened or highlighted the correct workspace, go to the workspace settings or menu. Depending on the version of Airtable you're using, this may appear as a settings button, a drop-down menu, or an icon with additional options. The goal here is simply to access the management settings for that specific workspace. From there, choose the option that says Delete Workspace. This is the action that starts the removal process. Since deleting a workspace is a major change, Airtable will usually place this option in a section where you need to be intentional about selecting it, so read the menu carefully. After that, review the warning message that appears. This part is very important. Airtable may let you know that workspace data could be removed and that this action may not be easily undone. Before continuing, pause and make sure there's nothing inside that workspace you still need, such as bases, records, or shared information. If you're completely sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion when Airtable asks. This final confirmation is there to prevent accidental removal, so once you approve it, the workspace should be deleted. Finally, return to your Airtable home screen and do one last check. Make sure the workspace no longer appears in your list. This helps confirm that the deletion was successful and that the change has been applied. And that's it. That's how to delete a workspace in Airtable safely and correctly.